Magandang araw mga kabilang! Ngayon ang pag-uusapan natin ay polygon. Bago natin pag-usapan ng polygon, sagutan muna natin ang activity na ito. So you're going to tell what shape is given and its number of sides. So let's have number 1. It is rectangle, 4 sides. Let's have number 2. It is triangle, 3 sides. Let's have number 3. It is circle, no side. Kanina we have rectangle, triangle, and circle. So if rectangle is a polygon, triangle is a polygon, but circle is not polygon, ano kaya ang polygon? Paano natin malalaman kung ang figure ba ay polygon? So now, let's define polygon. So polygon in the ancient Greek language, it means many angles. Today, it is more common to think of the word as meaning many sides. So when it comes to polygon, we have many angles. So ito yung mga angles niyan. At ito naman ang mga sides. It is a closed plane figure formed by 3 or more segments called side. So please take note mga kabilang na ang polygon ay closed plane figure. So when we say close, ibig sabihin nakasara ang ating figure. So kung plane figure, ito ang mga halimbawa ng ating plane figure. So it is closed plane figure. Always remember when it comes to polygon, it is formed by 3 or more segments. So ibig sabihin, 3 segments ang pinakamababa para maka-form tayo ng or makabuo tayo ng polygon. So each side intersects exactly 2 other sides, one at each endpoint. So for example, this rectangle. Okay? So ano ibig sabihin yan? So kada side kailangan nag-intersect yung kanyang endpoints dun sa dalawang other sides. So for example, this side. So ano yung sinasabi dyan? Dapat itong endpoint niya at itong isa pa niyang endpoint ay merong intersection sa iba pang side. So for example, this endpoint, this side, itong endpoint niya, ay nag-intersect siya dito sa ating side na to. Tapos yung kabila naman yung endpoint, nag-intersect siya sa side na to. Same also with other side. So for example, this side, nagkaroon siya ng intersection dito sa side na to. Same also dito sa endpoint na to, nagkaroon siya ng intersection sa side na to. Next, no two sides with a common endpoint are collinear. So when we say collinear, ibig sabihin hindi siya nasa isang linya. So for example, this one. Yan, etong ating triangle, hindi siya collinear, etong side na to, hindi siya collinear dito. So, ibig sabihin, magkaiba ng direction yung bawat sides. For example, this one. Ito, tapos nag-change ng direction. Same also with triangle, nag-change ng direction. Same also with this figure. Yan, nag-change din ng direction. So, that is polygon. So let's continue. Let's have classification of polygon. Paano ba natin kina-classify ang polygon? So polygons are classified by the number of sides they have. So nakadepende to kung ilan yung bilang ng side ng polygon. So let's have example. So we have 3 sides. So this is the figure. So ang tawag sa polygon na yan ay triangle. So, ang code natin dyan or yung prefix na ginamit natin dyan ay try. Try means 3. Next, if we have 4 sides, ganito naman ang figure niya. So, ang tawag dyan ay quadrilateral. So, our code dito ay quad or yung prefix na ginamit natin, quad, which means 4. Okay? So, under ng quadrilateral, yung square, rectangle. Basta 4 sides, quadrilateral. Next, let's have 5 sides. This is the figure. So, it is called pentagon. So, our code here is penta, which means 5. Next, we have 6. This is the figure. It is called hexagon. So, our code here is hexa means 6. Let's continue. So, we have 7. This is the figure. So, this time, if the code is hepta, which means 7, ano kaya ang classification ng ating polygon? That's right, heptagon. So, now, let's have 8 sides. So, this is the figure. Our code here is octa, which means 8. So, what is the classification if we have 8 sides? That's correct. It is called octagon. How about if we have 9 sides? So this is the figure. So our code here is nona, which means 9. Nonagon. Next, we have 10 sides. So this is the figure. Our code here is deca, which means 10. So the name of polygons na merong 10 sides ay decagon. So how about if we have 11 sides? So this is the figure. It is called an decagon. Why? Because uno plus deca. So uno, ang ibig sabihin ay 1. Deca, ibig sabihin ay 10. So if we're going to add them, we have 11. So how about if we have 12 sides? So this is the figure. So we have duo plus deca equals 12. It is called dodecagon. So how about if we're going to classify, for example, 15 sides, 18 sides, so how can we classify them? So what is the name of the polygons? So we can use n-gon. So n stands for number of sides. So for example, we have 15 sides. So we can call it as 15 gon. If we have 35 sides, pwede nating tawagin na 35 gon. So we have number of sides plus gon. So that is classification of polygon. So now, let's move on. Let's have convex and concave. So convex and concave, ganito lang mga anak. Okay? So kapag hindi siya convex, automatic it is under na concave. So what is convex? A polygon is convex if no line that contains a side of the polygon contains a point in the interior of the polygon. So let's have these two figures. So the first figure, we have 4 sides. So this is quadrilateral. In the second picture or second figure, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have 12 sides. So this is dodecagon. Okay, so using these two figures, let's determine if it is convex or concave. So the first figure is convex and then the second figure is concave. Paano kaya, or the first polygon is convex and then the second polygon is concave. So paano kaya natin nalaman na convex to at concave? So according to the definition of convex, kapag daw walang line sa side ng polygon na natamaan yung interior part ng polygon, ibig sabihin convex siya. So, para malaman natin kung wala bang tumama sa interior part ng ating polygon, so we're going to draw a line for each side of the given polygon. So, for example, this picture or this polygon. So, I'm going to draw a line for each side of this figure. Yan. So, nagdodraw na ako ng line. So, as you can see, nung nag-drawing ako dito ng line, walang tumama sa interior part ng ating polygon. So, kapag walang tumama, it means convex siya. So, let's have another polygon. So, bakit siya naging concave? So, ganun din, drawing din ako ng line sa kada side ng ating polygon. Yan. So, nag-draw na ako. Eto, side din yan. Yan, mga side din to. So, nung nag-drawing ako, as you can see, merong tumama sa ating interior part ng ating polygon. That's why this is concave. Again, convex, ibig sabihin, if we're going to draw a line for each side of polygon, kailangan walang tatama sa interior part ng ating polygon. Pag may tumama, under siya ng concave. So let's have another figure. So we have these two figures or polygon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ulit nga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first figure, we have 6 sides. So ang tawag dito ay hexagon. Okay? In the second figure or polygon, we have 3 sides. This is triangle. So let's check if the first polygon is convex or concave. What do you think? Kung ang sagot nyo ay concave, you are correct. How about the second polygon? Kung ang sagot nyo ay convex, you are correct. Yan. So, bago tayo hiwa-hiwalay or bago nyo matapos yung ating video, try this one. Okay? Pakisagutan. So, write P if it is polygon, write N if not. So, pwede nyo nang i-post to. Yan, hindi ko na kayo tatimeran. So, i-post nyo na lang. At ibibigay ko yung sagot. Yan, i-post nyo muna. Try to answer. So, eto na ang sagot. Number 1, it is polygon. Number 2, it is not polygon. Okay, so lagi niyong tatandaan, if we have 3D shape, automatic it is not polygon. Number 3, it is polygon. Number 4, it is not polygon. Number 5, it is polygon. So that's all for today mga kabilang. Thank you for listening. Goodbye!